Hey guys, Brian here from Stoneyard. Today we wanted to address a question we get a lot around here, and that involves cleaning stone. Question a lot of people ask us is, why don't we clean our stone with muriatic acid? I'm going to tell you a couple of reasons. One is muriatic acid is a highly corrosive acid that could permanently etch the stone and discolor it if used. Also, muriatic acid is so strong it can react with the stone's minerals, causing damage. And when we have thin stone veneer, damage could cause havoc. So now we're going to get into some products that we do recommend here at the Stoneyard, and those are both made by Prosoco. The first product we have here is Vanatrol. This is a heavy acid. You're going to go ahead and follow the manufacturer's directions. It's going to be diluted down, usually 1 to 4 parts. This is best in new installations and surfaces that are heavily soiled. As you can see here, we still haven't cleaned our new installation here. We're letting it cure, but Vanatrol is going to be the perfect product to use on this surface. The second product we have out is Safety Klean. Safety Klean is better applied indoors where you have to be careful of your surroundings. We recommend to use Safety Klean indoors is because it's a non-acidic cleaner, much more environmentally friendly, and it'll be good on your outlets, your metal products. It's not going to cause any problems.